here we have a table of results for the shoe size of 70 students, which you've seen for a question on mode. However, we've got it here for median. Now, with 70 students, that means I need 35 students at one side and 35 students at the other side. So it means I need to look at not just the 35th student, but the 36th student, because the median is the one between those two. Now, I could write all these numbers out. What I mean is that the shoe size of 4 occurred 17 times, but just imagine it, writing that out 17 times. I could then write out the median, the value of 5, 19 times. But again, the reason why it's in a table is because as a list, it would be huge. So instead of writing that out and finding the median by looking at the 35th and 36th value, I can look at the frequencies and calculate where the 35th and 36th value will be. So there's the first 17 numbers. If I was to add the next 19, then that would get me to the 36th number, which means to say that the 35th and the 36th number both belong in that group. So the median of this data has to be 5, because the 35th value is 5, the 36th value is 5, and halfway between 5 and 5 is 5. So the median is 5. So here's the second one. So here we have a household looking at the number of children per household. So in 7 houses there was no children. In 14 of the houses there was 1 children. So as with the previous one, I could write a list out of no, and write that out 7 times. I could write 1, 1, 1, 1 out, write it out 14 times, etc. And the median will be that number that lies halfway with that long list. Now this time we've not been told in the question how many numbers there are here. Misconception is people think, oh, there's only 6 numbers, nothing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But as I pointed out, that first number occurs 7 times. So there's a lot more than 6 numbers. In fact, if I add these together, that'll tell me how many numbers there are altogether. And that comes to 90. So therefore, 90, split that in half, makes that 45 numbers each way. So the median is between the 45th and 46th value, because that will split the 90 in half. So we've got 7 numbers there. The next 14 numbers makes that then a total of 21 numbers. So the median is not here, it's not here, so we've got to get up to the 45th and 46th number. If I add 25 numbers onto that, I'm now at the 46th position. So I can see that the 45th and 46th number both contain the number 2, two children in the household. So the median for this data is 2.